and made it real for them. So we really had a fantastic time, great results, and wonderful feedback. Thank you, Doug.
My name is Fred Bell, and I'm team at Union Recruitment. That was beyond awesome. And taught in a funny way things that we've been trying to preach on for years. He also made the people understand that safety is not just at the plant, it's in their everyday life. He's done a fantastic job, and we definitely going to look at it. Thanks, Alex.
Hi, my name is Katrina. Doug did a fantastic job. Oh, I'm an associate operations coordinator. That's just a fancy title for a payroll and scheduling person, dealing with a lot of hourly employees. I really enjoyed Doug. He was so funny and he kept it appropriate. Thanks, Doug. I hope you can come again.